Whether you're a martial arts school, an online guitar teacher, a pet shop, dentist, or a high-ticket coach, one thing is certain. If you want to stay in business, you need a way to reliably get new paying clients. People who are a perfect fit for your products and services and want to pay you month after month. But there's a reason that small businesses stay small. Many reasons actually, but most of them are downstream of not knowing how to attract more people into the business. It's hard to grow if you can't get customers and clients. But if you can get unlimited clients, it gives you the funding to hire team members, improve your product, and grow your operation. If you keep competing for scraps, you're going to have an inferior product and die a slow, painful business death. In 2025, there are 5 easy ways to attract new paying clients into your business. Now, don't try and do all 5 of these at the same time. The secret that most business owners miss is that you actually have to get good at one. It's like practicing an instrument or learning a sport. It doesn't matter how well documented the method is, if you don't practice, you'll never get results. So here's 5 so you can find the one that works for you. Implement it, get good, and experience unlimited new clients. Real quick, many people treat marketing as an afterthought. They think it's just something that they have to do in order to do what the business really does. What they don't realize is that they are in the business of marketing the thing that they do, not just doing the thing. Think about Red Bull. What they make is energy in a can. But what they are actually good at, what makes the business work, is their stunts around the world. Or think about Old Spice. Any of us could start a deodorant company today, but not all of us can entertain like this.
You know, women prefer Old Spice for their men 1 bajillion times more than lady-scented body washes. Did you know that I'm riding this horse backwards?
Okay, number 1 way to get clients, organic social. If someone dropped off an encyclopedia at your house every single day, would you want to buy something from them? Probably not. You'd just be overwhelmed with information. That's why you don't want to just post educational content on your socials if your goal is to get paying customers. It turns out that people love to buy from people they like. But if your potential customer likes you and doesn't trust you, the chances are slim they're going to pull out that credit card. So number 1 thing you have to do is get people to trust you. And how do you do that? The same way you build friendships. Spend time together, show your personality, which means posting on socials often. Talk about your business for sure, but also your hobbies, your opinions, and your personal life. Open yourself up. Once your audience is bonded, by the time you offer to solve a problem for them, they're ready to buy. Number 2 way to get clients is borrowing an audience. This is the highest leverage way to get clients. Think about somebody going on Joe Rogan's podcast or appearing on Oprah to talk about their book. All of a sudden they have a captive audience of millions of people instead of taking years or decades to build an audience of their own. Now, it's not likely that you're going on Oprah anytime soon, so start with a smaller audience and work your way up, like stepping stones. Get good at providing value on podcasts and you'll keep getting invited back. You're going to build your audience and your client base at the same time. Number 3 way to get clients is meta ads. There is a pernicious lie that Facebook ads get more expensive every year, but it's simply not true. Facebook and Instagram ads don't necessarily cost more than they did in 2016 if you're good at them. And sure, if your ads suck, you're probably not going to get great results. But if your ads are better than your competitors, it's one of the best times in history to use meta ads. The algorithm does most of the work for you in finding the right clients. And with tools like Layla and Ideogram, AI can create your ad copy and images in literal seconds. It's easier than it's ever been, I promise, if you just take the time to actually do it. If you want to know how we create ads with AI, check out 5 ad formula below. Number 4 way to get clients is YouTube ads. This is the longest lasting way to get paying clients. Take more work than meta ads because you actually have to make a video. But the upside is that once you find something that works, it lasts so much longer. Video ads build more trust and buy-in than text ads, and most of your competitors are too lazy to do it, so you're gonna have less competition. We ran one video ad for 3 years straight that brought in millions in sales. That's the power of one ad. Just like Calic and I ran this ad and made $20 million, or Dollar Shave Club went from an unknown company to a $1 billion sale, all kickstarted by this ad. Back in 2019, one video ad on YouTube changed my business forever. And when you nail your one winning video ad, the same thing can happen for you. If you want us to produce your ad, check out the link below. And the number 5 way to get clients is referrals. The ultimate way to grow your business is to have each customer refer one more customer. Think about the products that you love so much that you can't shut up about them. When you make something so great that your customers get status from sharing it with other people, there's no limit to how fast you can grow. I am on my 5th year of owning a Tesla, and I still can't shut up about self-driving. And I still can't shut up about self-driving to my friends. My wife drives a Tesla too. Anyone that comes over to our house is probably one step closer to picking up the new Cybertruck. The easiest way to see this in the wild is to watch teenagers. Once a cool kid starts wearing a certain brand, all of a sudden everyone wants to wear it. And the same goes with celebrities. You can do this through prestige or you can do it through utility. Like, I think Canva is so great, I share it with everyone I know. Likewise, if you see a Dua Lipa wearing brand new clothes, you might find yourself Googling that brand. Don't forget to pour fuel on the fire and incentivize sharing, like when Tesla offered free supercharging for anyone who referred another customer. But be warned, this only works if your product is so good that your customers want to share it with their friends.